Hello students, now today we are going to solve the second microprocessor problem, that is to find the larger of given two numbers. Okay, suppose you have given the two numbers, that number is stored in a one particular location. Okay, suppose you have the number that is 20D0. In this address you have stored the number 02H. Okay students, then in the location 20D1 you have stored 05H. These are the two numbers which is stored in the different locations. Means in this particular address this number is being get stored, and from these two numbers you are going to identify which is the larger number. Now, observing from this particular two data, you have the result, that is 20D2. You will get the answer, that is a 05H. Okay, this thing we have to see by using the microprocessor program. We have to write down the numerics, we have to write down the opcode, we have to write down the comment. Okay friends, so the program is to find this here, write assembly language program in a short form. In an every book there is a short form, that is the assembly language program. Write an assembly language program to find the larger of given two number. The larger of given two number stored in location 20D0 and 20D1. Okay, as already I told you, the addresses, in that address the number is stored. Whatever may be the number you are going to store, that number, the larger number will be get displayed by using that particular program. Okay, store that particular result. Store result in location 20D2. This is the question. Okay, you have to find the larger number from this given two addresses. The number is get stored, that I will show you. Here are the solution. You have to write on the sample program. Sample program or sample data, that is this 20D0. You will write the number, that is 02. 20D1, you will write the number 05. Okay, and itself here, from observing these two numbers, your result is going to be get stored. Understand? So the result is equal to 05H. Okay. After this one, you have to write down the assembly language program. Okay. After noting this one, you just write assembly language program. Okay. For this program, you have to make a block. That block is like this: the memory address, first number block, second number block, it is a label, third number it is mnemonics, the third number which you have to write down the main thing is the different instruction. That instruction in this block it is indicated with the mnemonics. Okay. Then the mnemonics, here the opcode you have to write down. And yes, what is the meaning of this particular instruction? It is nothing but is a command. It is a command. Just to make the block. Okay. We have made the block like this. Okay. Now we have to write down the instruction. Now the instruction is very much important. What is the first thing you have to do? You have to initialize the location. For initialization, you have to load that value. So you have the instruction that is LXIH. LXI load immediate the content of first address in the first location, that is this location we have to load. Whatever the data is present in that particular location, we have to load that data. So that's why this LXI instruction has been used. LXI H comma. What is the first address? It is 20D0. Okay. So in this 20D0, first we have to go to that particular kit and we have to make the address 20D0 and then we are going to store the value that is 02. Okay. So here I will write here. Sample program 20D0. 02 number we have stored in the 20D0. Then you have to move that particular number to the certain registers. So the instruction is move. This move directly we are going to move the value. Where from where memory now it is 02. This memory will get converted transferred to the A register. Okay, now in the A means in the accumulator 02 number has come. After this one, you have to increment the memory so that the second address means 20D1 should initialize so that it will check the number what is the number present in the next address. So here after this one I and next H you have to write down. Then both the number they have got. After getting that particular number, we have to compare both the memories. Okay, what is the larger number? Means the CMP instruction come into the existence. So CMP, what we have to compare? We have to compare the H with the HL pair. That is nothing but it is a memory. After comparing this one, either one small number will get and one larger number will get. Either both the number is large, both the number will be small, or both the number either one number is large or either one number is small. That we don't know, and that's why we are using the J and C instruction for comparing that particular number, for measuring that value. Then this jump instruction, after then if it got the larger number, then it will move from memory to accumulator. Okay, after that one you have to again increment one memory, increment INX H. Okay students, then you have to store that particular result in some address. Okay, I have told you in this location you have to store the result. You have to write down STA20D2. Okay, so this STA20D2, it means that in the 20D2H 20D2 address, this result, what is the result? 20D2 means 05 will be the result. This result will be get stored in the address assigned on this program. And at the last you have to halt, means it will get restart. So this is the mnemonics. But one thing, this JNC instruction where it should get jumped. Okay, we will write here as a 1 star like this, so that this instruction will get jumped and it will look where is the number. So here the memory we are going to implement. So here we will take one label. So from here it will get directly jump to this one, and then if it got that particular number, higher number, then directly it will get stored in this particular location. Okay students, now we will see the memory address. As per I told you, the starting address of the kit, it is starting from 20F0. We will write here starting address 20F0. How much byte? It is of a 3 byte, means LXIH is being get stored in the 20F1 address. Then D0 and 20 has to a separate address. It has to use a separate address. So it is a 3 byte instruction. So 20F1, 20F2. These are the three addresses which is assigned for this LXIH, and that's why it is a 3 byte instruction. then MOV M to A. This is a single byte instruction, so you will get F3, then F4, then F5. This JNC, from here it will get jump. What is the address of this one? We have to put here. Okay. So meanwhile we will just write down F6. Here the three addresses has to be get assigned. So F6, F7 and F8. This is the address. But what will be the this address? That thing has to be get loaded in this particular 20F7 and 20F8. That we will see in the opcode. Okay. This F8, then MOV M2A, we will get F9. Then this INX H, that is F10 means FA, then FB, the three addresses FC and FD, and halt F C D E F A B C D E F. Okay, friends. So these are the memory address for this particular mnemonics. Now we will see the opcode. The LXI H opcode. It is assigned, that is 21, and this D0 and 20 we have to write down. Sorry, first one it is D0 and then 20, so that this address will contain the, it will call from that particular address, the 02 number. Then MOV M2A, you have the instruction, that is 7E. It is very much important, student, because this is we have to perform in the kit. Without this opcode, it is not possible for conversion that particular thing, and you will not get the result. Okay. Then 7E we have got. After this 7E, the INX text it is 23. Then CMPM it is BE. JNC it is D2, comma. Now INX H address. What is the address for this one? It is FA20. FA20, you have to write down here FA, comma 20. So that from here the instruction is going to be get jump here, and that's why what is the address? The first address you have to write down in this opcode. Okay, then move M to A, again it is a 7E, then INXH again it is 23, then STA you are getting the value 32, then D2 and 20. For this HLT, for the address of the kit, it is CF. In a text it is 76. You may write down 76 also, but the address is not assigned for that particular kit, and that's why the program will not run. It will get the halt. Okay. It will get the instruction halt, or the wait instruction will be get occurred. So might the program will not run. So you have to write down the output for the HLT. It is CF. So students, now here the comment you have to write down. The comment is very much simple. Initialize the HL here. Initialize HL pair. Means the memory we have to initialize that HL pair, means it is a HL pointer. Then content of the memory has to be get moved. So the get first operand, and rest of the instruction is the rest of the comment you have to write down from this particular instruction, so that I will consume the time. Okay. So go for the kit, we will perform the result, and in the Anshuman kit we will display the result. Okay.
Okay, to find a larger number from the given to number, what we have to do in this particular program, the memory address, label, mnemonics, opcode and the comment has been written. You have to write down these things. Okay, you have to make the chart in such a way that it will look like this. Okay, the label is nothing but whatever the addresses is going to be get jump from one place to the another, you have to write down that particular address in this particular label. Then the opcode, the code which is assigned to this mnemonic, we have to write down this opcode here, and the comment, what is the meaning of this uh, instruction. Okay, so for the first, now as our program we have to find the any one larger number from the given two large well. So the mnemonics which is to be get written, that is first we will see how the program is to be get written, how to write the program. Here the mnemonics, that is LXIH comma 20D0. Okay, then the second instruction, that is move a comma m. The third instruction INX H, then CMP compare the M, then JNC, then move M to A, then INX H, okay, INX H, then move A to M, and then halt the program, halt the program, HLT. This is the mnemonics written by us very first. Okay, now as it is a JNC, something we have to jump. So here we have to make a star in such a way that it will get jump to this particular location. Okay students, so for this, how much byte instruction is this one? It is a return LXIH, it requires a 1, then 20, then D0. Okay, starting from 20D0, here the value which is being get stored 20D0, it is having first number 2, then 20D1, it is having second number 5, and the result will be displayed in the accumulator. According to this program, it will be 05. Okay, in the accumulator it will show a 05 value. Now this LXI, the memory address which we have to start, it is will get start from 20F0. The starting address where the number is get stored, it is D0 and 20. Then move A comma M, it will occupy 20F, here 20 F1, it is F2, F0, F1, F2, F3, then F4, then F5, F6, here it will get the 2 location extra, F7 and F8, move this one, then F9, here F10, it is nothing but FA, then FB, and at the last FC, 20FC. Up till here the memory address has been required for completing this particular mnemonics. Okay, here it is important students. Now the opcode which you have to write down, the opcode for the LXIH is 21, and where the number is stored first 20D0, it is 2, we have to call that number in this program. So D0 comma 20 you have to write down, then move M to A, the code it is 7E, then INX H, it is having 23, then CMP M, it is BE, then JNC, the code is D2. For a while we will stop here because this address we don't know, but here we have the address. So just write down the FA and 20, so that it will get jumped to this particular location and it will execute, and then the program will be get end and the result will be get displayed in the accumulator A. Then move M to A, you have 7E, INX H you have 23, and then move A to M, that is 77, and at the last CF. Okay, so this is the program which gives you the larger of two number. We will see here how the A in the accumulator A, if it will display 05, then whatever we have written this program, it is correct. Okay, so coming back to our this kit, just start it. First you have to press the reset button, then S, go for this address CR. First you have to write down 20D0 address, that is 20D0. In this 20D0, what you have to write down? 02 02 or any number you may write down. Whatever the number will be large, it will get displayed in this accumulator as a result. Then 20D1 I have written 05, here 05, the rest of the location you make 0 so that you will be get understood. You see here whatever we have entered, it is correct or not. 02 is the first address for 20D0. Then in the second address we have written the number that is 05. Out of this 02 and 05, the 5 will be the result which will be get stored in the accumulator. So just reset the button. Now we don't require this 20D0. Now coming back to this our 20F0, we write down SCRCR 20F0. Now go on writing the opcode which is written by this particular mnemonics. Then 21, write down 21. Then I will put here 21. What was the first address the number is been get stored? It was D0 with a 20. Then 7E, then 23, then BE, then D2, then FA, then 20, then 7E, 23, 77 and CF. So as 20FC we have got the mnemonics that is HLT, and the opcode written for the HLT it is CF. Here 20FC address, here the CF has been, we have written the CF. Okay, now what is the process? First we have to go one step ahead and make the value 0. If it is already 0, then also you have to make the value 0, and then you just check whatever the program you have written it is correct or not. Okay, by the process CNT, by pressing CNT and the CR button. Okay, come back to this one 20F0, it contains 21. Yes, it is right. Then do D0 and 20, in that the number is initialization. Okay, just you check it, and at the end CF, go one location ahead and then you run the program. The process for running is escape, go to CRCR. What is the starting address? 20F0 for the main program. Then press CR. Automatically the substitute and the command will be get executed. As soon as this command is executed, press the S, then CR. Press any key 2 times, leaving the CR. Any key 2 times, the register will be get displayed, and the CR will be get displayed. This accumulator contains a value 05. It means whatever the program we have written, out of this 05, 02 and 05, the 5 is the larger number. The larger number is been get displayed in this memory location. It means in an accumulator the answer will be get displayed here. Okay student, this is the program for finding the larger number of any given two number. Okay, just press reset, the instrument will be get displayed, and then stop the program. Yes, thank you.